So these are the materials what will be needed.
The first thing you do is insert the nylon into the straw before stitching it across the two poles. Find something the same height as the poles. Make sure that the nylon is tied tightly. After you tie it, try to touch or pull it to see if it's okay. Then inflate the balloon to the correct size. Position the balloon at the middle of the nylon and hold the end with a paper clip so the air can escape. And use 2 or 1 piece of tape to secure the balloon to the straw. Once you are ready, let go the balloon and watch what will happen. And this is our balloon rocket basics experiment. How a balloon rocket works. As the air escapes from the balloon, it exerts a force on the ground and the air outside of the balloon. According to Newton's third law of motion, as the gas is released from the balloon and the pushes against the outside air, the outside air pushes back. As a result, the rocket is propelled forward by the opposing force. Here we are discussing about the momentum of a body, which is balloon full of air. Since momentum is a vector quantity which depends on mass and velocity of the given system, we will see the changes in the momentum of an air balloon while releasing air from it. Inside the balloons, the particles collide with each other as each one of them has a certain amount of momentum. The colliding particles cancel out the momentum of each other, and that's why the net of momentum of balloon remains zero. When you start releasing air from the balloon, then it feels a force or thrust on it which set into the motion. The momentum of particles are given direction by the thrust exerted. When you release the opening of the balloon, gas quickly escapes to equalize the pressure inside with the air pressure outside of the balloon. As the gases escape from the balloon, the gas particles exert a force on the ground and the air outside of the balloon. The balloon always moves in the opposite direction from the jet of air. The more compressed air there is in the balloon, the more force it will have and the faster it will move. Essentially, both the balloon and the air inside it are at rest, so their total momentum is zero. When the air is released, the balloon and the air inside it experience an equal and opposite force due to the conservation of momentum. The velocity pushed out by the rocket is larger than the velocity released by the balloon rocket. Rockets are mainly used for space study. Thrust in the measurement of power of rockets. A rubber balloon filled with air or any other gas is considered to be a balloon rocket. Balloon rocket is mainly used for teaching or experimenting with facts of physics. Velocity is the speed of moving substitute. The velocity of a moving rocket is very high, so the velocity of the rocket is larger than the velocity pushed by the balloon rocket.